Now, as seen on the screen, you notice that the shares of NIO yesterday finished trading at $4.47, up 5.4%, whilst Li Auto finished trading at $29.02, up 5.3%. Xpeng, $23.60 was the share price, up 6.1%. Then we've got Rivian, up 1.27%, $11.17 is the share price. Lucid, up 2.8%, $2.15 was the share price, and Zika was up 4.5%, $31.36 was the share price. And last but not least, we've got Tesla, down 0.3%, $262.67 was the share price. Now, if you have a quick look into the year-to-date share price performance of most of these stocks that I was telling you now, Li Auto, it's up 20.8%, Tesla is down 30.7%, NIO is down 1.76%, while Xpeng is up 104%, and Zika it's up 15.6%. I mean, for NIO, it's like ever since the beginning of this year, we can safely say this share price has just been consolidating. Nothing major has happened onto NIO. I mean, this is the reason it has only went down by 1.76%, whilst on the other hand, Xpeng over 100%. But let me tell you something. I think I have highlighted this, and I will highlight it again. NIO, it's a company that is the most shorted, or it's one of the most shorted stocks in the New York Stock Exchange, simply because they noticed that this is a stock that retailers has got some massive support. A lot of retail investors owed a lot of shares of this company. So obviously they will do whatever they can to shake off the weak hands, to shake off those that don't do their own due diligence, and shake them off the stock price before maybe it could surge. Because if there's one thing that you must know, is that obviously we might be seeing the share price of NIO or down 1.7%, but this year won't end NIO finishing like this. Chances are very high that this year we might see a double digits onto NIO, simply because of what we'll be seeing along the year, right? Or as the year unfolds. And this is the reason why, based off what we are expecting, based off profitability that is coming, this to me offers an opportunity to increase my holdings onto NIO. I know yesterday share price wise finished trading up 5%, but that again still just makes NIO to be so unjustified, because company like Xpeng right now, if you did not know, Xpeng market cap, it's closing in on also Li Auto. Li Auto, you'll know that it's profitable, but Xpeng, it's going in terms of the market cap, it's growing, and I think in the next couple of weeks we might see the change between Xpeng having a market cap over than that of NIO, which let's wait, let's see how things unfold. But us here on NIO, yeah, we are still at the bottom, and I believe that our time will come. The more NIO delivers vehicles, the more NIO grows their infrastructure, the more NIO improves onto their earnings, is the more we are going to see NIO also gaining some pretty good decent market cap, simply because of the improvement they will be reporting, right? I mean, this week we read that apparently NIO in China is not even hiring. All open posts are now closed, and it appears that there's no position, which this tells me that NIO is doing whatever they can to make sure that they cut on spending. You will know that when it comes to also the projects, some of the projects, the initiatives, the R&Ds which they are doing, they are cutting or reducing those, because they know they need to get to profitability this year. NIO CEO came and said projects that don't make financial sense or that don't have a good return on investments, they are going to be halt, or they are going to be cancelled, right? This makes much more sense in a way that obviously there won't be much money spent on R&D, which will reduce the losses there, whilst on the other hand NIO sales are growing. So operation and expenses are going to be reduced, whilst revenue on the other side, it's growing. Profitability on the other side getting closer and closer, which is something that we want to see, something that of course this year we are going to see a different NIO from the kind of NIO we saw for last year. So me, I continue to remain bullish me, I continue to remain strong because I know that blue sky is coming. Ignore the day-to-day movement, ignore the naysayers, because at the end of the day, you don't want to be part of those people that regret at a later stage when NIO has gained some good market share in the new energy vehicle space and they are being rewarded by that in the market. Trust me, you don't want to be that person that regrets not taking the low trading price and load the boat. But again, what you do with your money, it's up to you, man. Here, I cannot come and tell you what exactly you need to do with your money. What you do with it, it's most definitely up to you. But me, I'm just gonna take the low trading price as opportunities to increase my holdings, to load the boat, because guess what? I know one thing, and that is share price wise, we shall recover. NIO will win at the end of the day, and those that are persevering will most definitely be rewarded. So I'm not worried about the fundamentals that we are going to continue seeing this year onto NIO, the current fundamentals they have and what might happen tomorrow. I'm not worried about that because I know NIO it's building, right? I know NIO it's getting better, right? And I know NIO that is going to continue improve, and with improvement comes, of course, customers, comes sales, which this will benefit NIO in the near future. Now, with all that, just thought I'd give you this quick update. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. I remain long, I remain strong onto NIO. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. I will see you on the next one, and God bless you all.